Everyone. In this session, I will explain how to create a mapping task and I will explain the properties present in the mapping task. So, to create a task, click New, select Task, select Mapping Task, Create, provide a mapping task name empty underscore aim underscore filter. Click runtime environment, then select the mapping. I have created a few mappings. I will select any one of the mapping, search with filter. So I will select this aim underscore filter and click next. So I will show you various properties available in mapping task. This option, if you want to schedule or run this task using a schedule, you can select this, run this task on schedule. Otherwise you can check this, do not run this task on schedule if you want to run it manually. Then the email notification, default notification that is set in admin, that can be used. Otherwise, if you want to provide a custom notification, then provide the email IDs. Click this use custom email notification. There are three options when the when the task fails. If you want a notification, you can add the user email ID here. Similarly, for warning, you can add the email ID here. For success also, you can add the email ID in success email notification. So if the job fails, you will get a notification. Whatever email ID you provide here, you will get the notification in that email ID. Then go to advanced options. Here that is called a pre-processing command. If you have any scripts before starting the job, if you want to execute any command or script, that you can use here. Similarly, for post-processing commands, in a pre-processing command, it can be like if you want to do a file validation, or if you want to check the file availability, those scripts you can call here. Similarly, in post-processing command, if you want to delete the file, or if you want to archive the file or copy the file, those commands you can use here. This option is for keeping the maximum number of log files. By default it is 10. As per your requirement, you can increase or decrease. Then using this, you can download the parameter file template. I'll show you how it looks like. Let's open this. You can see use section will be there. After that, default is the project here, and empty underscore aim is the mapping task. So task level parameters you can use. Then global level also you can define under this global section. For parameterization, all properties and all things I will show you in a separate section. Let's close this. And here you can provide the path of parameter file directory, and parameter file name also you can mention here. Push down optimization you can select, whether it's to source, to target, or full, or if it is parameterized. As per requirement you can select. This one, there is one option, allow the mapping task to be executed simultaneously if it is a reusable task. If it is going to be used in multiple mappings or multiple task flows, then you can check this. This advanced session properties, click this, add, and you can see same properties are there in in session task in Power Center. It's backward compatible session log file name, log file directory. I'll show you session log file directory. Here you can provide the path of the log file directory. If you want to add the log file name, you can add, select log file name and provide the log file name. Similarly, various options are there: source file directory, source connection name, source connection value, commit type, is performance settings, in advanced like constraint based load ordering, align sequential buffer length, or custom properties you can use. Error handling, error log type, whether it's file or DB, those things you can define. So these are the properties available in mapping task level. Thank you.